Okay, 45 degrees is pi over 4. You can just go 180 divided by 4 and get 45 to know that. So there I'm starting at 4 pi over 4. The negative x-axis is 4 pi over 4, so 1 back's 3 pi over 4. 1 past it is 5 pi over 4. 2 pi is 8 pi over 4. 1 back is 7 pi over 4. Shifting now to the special triangle, I'm going to divide everything by root 2 because I want that hypotenuse to be 1. So I get 1 over root 2 and 1 over root 2. But if you remember from grade 11, we don't want to leave a radical in the denominator, so I'm going to rationalize this. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom both by root 2. And I get 1 times root 2 is root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is the square root of 4, which is 2. So 1 over root 2 is actually root 2 over 2, which is really useful to memorize that. All right, moving these onto the unit circle, that first point in the first quadrant then is going to be root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. Second quadrant, just the x value is negative. Third quadrant, both values are negative. And into the fourth quadrant, the x value is positive and the y value is negative.